welcome back. So today we have another review video. Before this video, if you are new to my channel, my name is Irene. I do a lot of luxury handbag, shoes, jewelry related video. I also do the comparison review and the unboxing video. If you like this type of contents, please consider subscriber. I upload the video every week. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Today, from the title, you're gonna see we're gonna review handbag from the Fendi. Is the mini PEEKABOO, and this is the most iconic, timeless, and classic pieces from Fendi. And it does come variety, size, different color, different material, different version. So we will go through later. It comes with the dust bag. Best part, they also come with the ring bag. So I'm gonna show you guys. Here is the ring bag. So if you want to get a wear for this handbag, you just wear the clothes for them. It's like that. So it's like this. In this video, I will cover every single detail for this handbag, that are including the feature of this handbag, what can be fit, pro and the con, and will I recommend it, and the last part is the model shot. Hopefully this video is really help you to know this bag more. So the first, before this one, let's get the measurement first. From here to here is 9.1 inch. From here to here is 7.1 inch, and the deep is 3.4 inch. The one I have it is the regular, as you can see, as the older stitch outside, and like that. Handle is 100% the Python, and the hardware is the silver hardware. The color is the light gray color. It's a little bit different from the one you normally see. The most people carry is the smooth leather, and so this one is pepper leather, 100% cow skin, and it has additional 4 feet compared to the original one. So I will insert the picture for the regular one that you see the most people has it, and this one is ready to see. This one is actually more expensive than the regular one, the smooth leather one. This one is $600 more than the smooth leather because they have a more feature, the handle, the bottom. It comes with the strap. This strap is adjustable, so this is the best feature of this mini handbag. You can adjust the many different lengths if you want. A lot of the mini size, they don't have adjustable. And the inside, you can see it's a 2 compartment. It can fit quite a lot. Over there, I have another pocket, and this one they do have the label that Fendi made in Italy. They also have the serial number. Other feature is this. Actually, you can take. It's a button up. It make bag is you look the better way. But if you really want to expand it, you actually can take out this. So if you take it out this way, take out the buckle, it make it bigger, and but I normally don't do that. Next one, we're gonna talk about what can be fit. So I used this bag for over a month already, and I just emptied my bags because I want to do this video. Now I'm gonna put everything into this bag, and I will get a screenshot to let you guys see how much this bag can fit. As here is my pocket organizer, and I always carry, and here is my Zoe wallet, and this one is my 6 key holder, and this one is another card holder because the Zoe wallet is really small, so I always carry additional card holder. I also have the reading glasses, and I have the coin purse. This is a key clay. I use it as a coin purse, and I also have my 7 Plus phone. And I have another card holder. Of course, I have the lipstick from Chanel. So I'm gonna put everything and then show you how it goes. So here is everything I put it inside. As you can see, this is this side. I put the Louis Vuitton key clay as an additional card holder, and the reading glasses, and a lipstick. I also put it, diamond wash stick I mentioned in one of the video. This side you can see I put everything there, and Zoe wallet, card holder, and pocket organizer, and key clay there. I don't know if you can see, my cell phone is there. Here is my additional, so I'm gonna put in my agenda, PM agenda. See if I can fit. I normally don't bring the PM agenda with me, so in this video I just wanted to show you. So I get it in there, PM agenda, so you can see. So this is basically how much you can fit. Now I'm gonna close. So I close out this one, and it's not too bad actually. I did it overload it a little bit, as you can see, but definitely you can put less than what I put in this video. I just demonstrate how much thing can put, so I will insert the screenshot for you. You can see how much thing I put there. So this is how much this bag can be fit. So I also noticed when I do the editing, I doesn't talk about the interior. As you can see, the interior is the leather one side, and the other side is like suede leather, and the bottom also the leather. The other side same, it has a zipper closure, zipper pocket, and one side is a full leather, bottom is the leather, and the other side is the suede leather. So now I'm gonna talk about the pro and the con. As you see, it can fit a lot, so definitely it's a good bag, a good mini bag. It can fit so much. Second pro is the strap. It's pretty long, and however they didn't make the adjustable strap, which is a lot of mini bag doesn't have that feature, and this bag does have this feature. I love this one, and as you can see, the strap also had a stitch, big stitch on that. So this because the style it is. The another pro for this one is very durable. The leather is very durable. Plus, it has the 4 feet. This handbag you can wear as a handhold, as a shoulder bag, and crossbody. So very versatile and very functional, because the small handbag you actually can fit so much. So this is another good part of this bag. So now we're gonna talk about the things I don't like about this bag. As you can see, if I overstuffed it, it will have some thing like a poke up. It's very obviously, unless you don't close the bag like that, so you won't find it. Once you close it, it's even obviously to see it. So but when you put it the thing, make sure it's not like pointing things. It will look like this, so it's not really nice. And the other thing I really don't like, and I really get annoyed, is this thing, this closure, because sometimes I just cannot find the place to close it right now because I'm holding. But when you wear a crossbody or shoulder bag, you try to close out, it's not that easy to find it. It reminds me the Chanel reissue. This is also the same thing that bothers me, and this is the turn lock is really hated. I just get so annoyed, and so that's why most of the time I don't even close. I just leave that open, then I can quickly to find. Now I also can give you another tip, is you can close just one side, the side that you have a wallet. You see, I just cannot find the thing. This is really annoying. So you can close like this side. I have my wallet card holder, so you close. But the other side, in this side, I will normally to put the cosmetic bag and my phone and the reading glasses, which I can get it easily in and out. I don't need to go through this crazy and turn lock. So this is the way you can do. So next thing we're gonna talk about strap. Strap, it has the good side and the bad side. The good side is you can make many different lengths. So depends of the way you like it. But the best side also this one, because I'm kind of petite and I don't need a long strap, so I always make the shortest one. So once I make the shortest one, you can see this is really long, like extra. So if I don't do that, and this strap it's coming like really like this every single time, so I have to make adjust all the time. So what I do is you can see it's already have the mark there, because I go through this hole and make now removable. So I just do like this one. That way this strap is not gonna move around and just stay there, because it's pretty tight right now. So that's also the bad thing. I think they make it too long, and that's why I have the extra, and it's going nowhere. So this is the new way I just found out when I was using this handbag. And also, yeah, this is a wonderful con. Now we're gonna talk about do I recommend this handbag? Yes or no. The reason no is the price tag is really too expensive. Now this handbag, for that much money, you actually can buy a Chanel handbag, and almost like Chanel's price. And I always feel Chanel handbag is an investment bag, and they will gain the value for you. But the Fendi handbag is not a good investment, even though this one do have a good resale value, but this one still not a very good investment to buy it. So what I suggested is buy the pre-love. If you really want it, be patient, go through the pre-love market, and that will be very practical to pay for that much money. This bag in my wish list for over 2 years. I want to have the purple leather with the feet, and I was patiently waiting, and until one day I saw from the yoga closet, I got it over 50% off from original, as I mentioned, because it has the black mark in the corner. I was so lucky I can get rid of that without any problem. So when I got it, even though I know the Yogi Closet is trustable, but I still just want to get the peace of mind. So I did send it to real authentication company to do the authentication, and the come out is 100% authentic. And also I highly recommend this leather, and because the leather is very durable, and also they have 4 feet, and I feel this can, you know, maintain better than the one that the smooth leather without the feet. So this also another recommended. So keep in mind this one, I really want you to see. If you really have a lot of money, then go for retail price. If you want to save some money, I highly recommend to go to the pre-love market. So I know this wasn't be super valuable handbag. That's why I feel it's not worth to pay the retail price for this handbag. Just keep in mind, you know, be patient and buy from the pre-love market. Yeah, I think I cover everything. If you have additional question, you want to compare with any other handbag, please leave a comment below. I will do as you request. So that's it. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.